guys, good morning. It's Monday, January 27, 2025, and it's 5:25 a.m. in the morning. And guess what? My morning or madaling araw routine this past few days is to wake up like every 10 minutes or like that. Basta sobrang dalas kong umihi pag madaling araw. Kanina, I heard a pop sa aking. And then I touched my underwear. Tinignan ko kung basa ba siya or what. Hindi naman. Deadma lang. And then, naihi ulit ako. So, kaihi ko, ayan, may tumulo. And yes, it's blood. And then after that, there's contractions na. Like, ito, ayan, meron na to. So, kailangan ko siyang timingan, no? 1:30. So, first time kong maka-feel ng contractions na ganito kalala. From my previous visit sa doctor, nagka-contractions daw ako pero hindi ko siya nararamdaman. Kasi ngayon, nararamdaman ko na yung contractions. And nag-wonder talaga ako what it feels like. And like what they said, it feels like cramps. So kung nagkaka-cramps ka tuwing period mo, ayan. So, yung sa akin, contractions ko ngayon, nag-last siya ng 40 seconds. Pero, sobrang consistent niya. So, since 5 a.m., tinatrack ko na yung contractions ko to see if it's consistent and if it will last for a minute. So far, consistent naman siya. I'll keep on tracking this for an hour. Ayan, meron na ulit. Ayan, tinatingnan ko lang yung clock dito sa video. Gano'n siya katagal maglalast. Ayan, so it feels like cramps talaga. Decide din ako mag-plancha na naligo naman ako nung pagka yung charger. Ito yung mga nababasa ko na pagka yun yung 511 rule, punta ka na sa hospital kapag may bloody show sa discharge mo, punta ka na rin. Tama-tama kasi ito yung first day ng maternity leave ko. Ito lang yun. Sakto lang na nag-leave na ako today. I'm happy. I'm very, very excited to see you. I'll see you later or tomorrow or anytime you're ready, love. So, yung mga dadali namin. Pillow for feeding the baby. O mga gamit ko at ni Ariel. Gamit ni baby, camera, tripod, and snacks. At saka pala car seat. Yun yung mga dadali namin. Ay, meron ulit. It's 5:52. Still consistent yung mga contractions. And parang nasasiyar ako. Baka lang may mailabas ako. Gusto ko na ilabas. Pero sana hindi bata pa yung lumabas. Fit check. Walang kiss eh.
Kiss ba? Yan, doon ko rin nakatingin eh.
Nakaminos. Lamig. Hospital is just 3 minutes away from our home. Na-check na ako ng midwife. And nasa labor na nga daw ako. Chinek niya yung cervix ko. 4 cm and 90% FAs na ako. So, check na lang maya kung malaki pa yung dilation ng cervix ko. Yan. So, ngayon, nakamonitor yung heartbeat and contractions ko. I'll update you guys. Ayan. Ang sakit. Parang si Maxine lang. Mga anak, parang si Maxine lang. Hi guys. Tinransfer na kami sa room. This is how it looks like. Couch. Look at this couch. TV. Ito yung nalagay si baby paglabas. Sink, bathroom. Any. Nagdala na siya ng breakfast for me. What? Nawala pa siya kumain eh. Huwag ganyan! Ikaw talaga nagpapasakit ng ulo ko.
Labor na ito. Nag-labor yung asawa ko, guys. Kamaya na ako, guys. Mag-video. Labor na eh.
3 o'clock p.m. Lapit na mag-12 hours of labor. Yeah. But all in all, after the epidural, I'm feeling so good. Yeah, no more pain, just numbness, and looking forward for the baby boy.
Time check. 6 a.m. 12 hours na kami. Gising ng mga tao sa Pinas. Malalaman na nila. Hi guys.
Ooh, baby, do you know what that's worth? Ooh, heaven is a place on earth. They say in heaven, love comes first. We'll make heaven a place on earth. Ooh, heaven is a place on earth. When I feel
Baby? Baby ko yan.
I reach for you.